Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to install app from App Store without payment method. So let's get started. First thing first, open the App Store on your mobile device. Then simply go to your profile on top right corner. Then once you tap on your profile, then tap on your name icon available in the top. After you tap on your name icon, you will be navigated to the account settings. Then inside account settings, tap on country or region. Then once you tap on country and region, all you have to do is change your country and region. Now here I am choosing Australia as my country for now. So all you have to do is agree with terms and conditions Apple gives you with. Then agree and continue with the process, and here they navigate you to fill out the total information about where you live, your country name and your street and postal code and everything. You have to fill it up and provide them the card details as well, as Apple requires user to have a valid payment method on file even for free app downloads on the App Store. However, there might be certain workarounds or exceptions that users can explore as well. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.